Across the world, there have been several flight cancellations and airlines struggling with staffing issues as a result of an outbreak in the Omicron variant of COVID-19. Locally, the hotel industry has also seen a recent surge in COVID-positive cases among tourists. Our news center understands that at least 3 large hotels in St. Anne and St. James have detected a high number of COVID-19 cases among their guests. Senior strategist in the tourism ministry, Delano Seawright, confirmed on Tuesday that a number of tourists have tested positive for the virus. Some of the cases, he said, were detected while the visitors were preparing to leave the island.
There has been an uptick in cases of COVID-19. Many of the persons who tested positive because of the need to go back to their respective countries are vaccinated. Many of them are asymptomatic. They have no symptoms at all, but yet they test positive. Many of them feel fine. They feel very well. And there have also been some flight cancellations. Not many, not as much as in the United States, but there have been a few over the last several days. And this is related to the fact that staff members of the airlines have tested positive for COVID and as such are unable to work.
Mr. Seawright noted, however, that the total number of infected tourists has not yet been tallied.
We have seen some increases at a number of properties, but so far it is not an alarming increase. But we are monitoring the situation and we have very strict protocols in place as it relates to isolation for persons who test positive. The challenge we have is that many of the persons in isolation are very upset because even though they have tested positive, they feel absolutely fine and they want to get on with life. But of course, we have rules and they have to follow the rules.
Amoy Harriet, Frontline.